Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be looking at some of the health benefits of okra. Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a green, elongated vegetable that is popular in many cuisines around the world. Beyond its culinary appeal, okra offers a range of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to your diet. Packed with essential nutrients and powerful antioxidants, okra can positively impact various aspects of your well-being. Here are some of the significant health benefits of drinking okra water. Okra is a rich source of dietary fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Many health specialists recommend it for digestive benefits. Good for proper bowel movement by relieving constipation. Okra is good for diabetics because of rich in fiber. It contains vitamin K, which is good for our bones. It controls obesity, prevents colon cancer, and controls cholesterol. 1. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Okra contains a type of soluble fiber called pectin, which may help slow down the absorption of sugar in the digestive tract. This could help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. 2. May support digestive health. The fiber in okra may also help promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Additionally, okra contains mucilage, a substance that can help soothe and lubricate the digestive tract. 3. May boost immune function. Okra is a good source of vitamin C, which is important for immune function. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that can help protect the body against damage from free radicals. 4. May support heart health. Okra is low in calories and fat, and contains a type of soluble fiber called soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. Lowering cholesterol levels can help reduce the risk of heart disease. It's important to note that while okra water is generally considered safe for culinary use, individual reactions and sensitivities may vary. If you have any specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before using okra water for its potential health benefits. Here is how to make okra water and store it in a refrigerator. To make okra water, all you need is fresh okra and water. 1. Start by washing the okra pods and cutting off the stems. 2. Then slice the okra pods in half or coarsely chop them. 3. Place the okra in a jar or a large bowl and cover it with water. 4. Refrigerate and let it sit overnight or for at least 8 hours. 5. The water will turn slimy, slightly thick, and have a neutral or somewhat earthy taste. 6. Once the water has infused with okra and turned into a gel-like substance, strain the liquid through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. 7. Add lemon juice or honey to the water to add flavor. 8. Store the okra water in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button.